Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad. To begin, you'll need 3 specific ingredients for this delightful dish. First, find any single fruit from one of the valley's many biomes. Next, locate a lemon, which grows on trees in the Forest of Valor or Glade of Trust. Finally, you'll need some sugarcane, available from Goofy's stall on Dazzle Beach. Gather these items, and you'll be ready for the next step in creating your delicious meal. Finding your ingredients is straightforward once you know where to look. Lemons are easily harvested from trees found within the Forest of Valor and the Glade of Trust. For sugarcane, head over to Dazzle Beach and purchase the seeds from Goofy's stall, then plant and harvest them. As for the single fruit, simply pick any fruit you come across in any of the valley's diverse biomes. Once you have all 3 ingredients, the cooking process is simple. Head to any cooking station in your home or around the valley. Place 1 fruit, 1 lemon, and 1 sugarcane into the pot. With these 3 items combined, you will successfully create a delicious fruit salad. This recipe is a 3-star meal, making it a valuable dish for your character. Fruit salad offers excellent benefits for your character. Consuming this delightful dish will restore a substantial 862 energy, helping you continue your adventures without interruption. If you're looking to earn some extra currency, you can sell each fruit salad for 271 star coins. It's a versatile meal, perfect for both energy boosts and earning a bit of income. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.